How to change number on Viber account. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In today's video, I will show you how you can change the phone number on your Viber account. Viber, as one of the leading networks for communication over the internet, provides one of the best quality services on the market. That is why it is not surprising that it is one of the mandatory applications on almost every smartphone. However, people are changing their phone numbers. Viber also saw this and added an option to change the phone number linked to the account. How can we do that? Open your Viber application. When you have opened Viber in the bottom menu, find the three dots and tap on them. Here, a large number of options will be opened, from which we need the settings item. When you have opened the settings, a new list of options will be waiting for us, from which we choose the account option. Behind this option hides the option we need, which is change phone number. When we open this option, a document is waiting for us, which explains how the process looks like. We will confirm the choice by tapping on the Continue button located in the lower part of the screen. After that, we can choose one of two options. These are new phone number or new phone number and new device. We will only select the option to change the number, so we will choose the first option. In the warning pop-up, we will select the Continue option. This will take us to a page where we can enter the phone number and thus change the number associated with our account. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Viber tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.